Today I'm going to show you how to knit a V-neck collar by picking up stitches in the round. This technique is used in my upcoming knitting pattern, the classic V-neck vest, which is the garment I'll be working with today. But of course you can use this tutorial for any project you're working on. For this project you'll need a pair of circular needles. I'm using size 9mm with a 40cm cable, a pair of scissors, a darning needle, and the yarn you'll be using to knit the collar. I'm using 2 strands of Wool in the Gang Feeling Good yarn, which is what I use to knit this sample. To knit the V-neck collar, take your needles and working yarn and pick up stitches along the collar opening. We'll be starting in the center back. Pick up a stitch by inserting your right needle into the stitch opening. Wrap your working yarn around your needle as if you were to knit and pull back through. You now have 1 stitch on your needle. Again, insert your needle into the next stitch over, wrap your yarn around your needle, and pull through. To start, you'll need to pick up an even distribution of stitches the whole way around. For this piece, I'm picking up 3 stitches in a row and then skipping 1 stitch in between. So I'll skip the next stitch and insert my needle to pick up the following. You'll continue in this pattern until you have stitches along the entire collar. Be sure that you have at least an even number of stitches on your needles to work in 1-to-1 rib. Knit around to 1 stitch before the center knit stitch. Here is where we will begin to work the decrease. With your working yarn at the back, slip the next 2 stitches onto the right needle as if to knit 2 together. Knit or purl the next stitch as normal. Then, lift the first of the 2 stitches from the right needle and slip it over and off the needle. You have decreased 1 stitch. Again, to work the V-neck decrease, knit until 1 stitch before the center knit stitch. Slip 2 stitches as if to knit 2 together. Knit or purl the following stitch. Then take the first of the 2 slip stitches and lift it over and off the right needle. You have decreased 1 stitch. Repeat this process until you have worked the number of rows desired. For the V-neck vest pattern, that's approximately 5 rows. When you've reached your desired length, cast off in ribbing or your preferred method. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope this has proved that knitting a V-neck collar is actually very simple to do.